The best lemon loaf with lemon glaze. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 50 minutes. Yield 1 loaf. Description: inspired by the lemon loaf from Starbucks, the best lemon loaf with lemon glaze emanates the perfect balance between sweet and tangy. It is the perfect complement to a warm cup of tea and a good book. Ingredients: for the loaf: 3 eggs, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 cup light Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon lemon zest or zest from 1 large lemon, 2 tablespoon lemon extract, 1/4 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt. For the glaze: 1/2 cup icing sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoon lemon juice. Instructions: loaf. Preheat oven to 350 F. Grease a loaf pan and set aside. In a large bowl, combine eggs, sugar, and yogurt and whisk until smooth. Drizzle in oil and continue whisking. Add lemon zest, extract and juice and continue to whisk. Add flour, baking powder, and salt. Whisk for about 1 minute until fully combined. Do not overmix. Pour the batter into your loaf pan and smooth the top. Bake for 50 minutes. Check that it is done with a toothpick. Allow loaf to cool in the loaf pan for an hour. Then remove loaf from the pan and allow it to cool on a wire rack for another hour or 2 until completely cooled. Glaze. In a small bowl, add the icing sugar. Slowly mix in the lemon juice and continually stir until smooth. Evenly drizzle glaze over bread. Allow glaze to set and dry before slicing.